Yeah, here we are at Shawnigan Lake, the west end of the West Arm at Lake House. And we're going to be cleaning the milfoil using surface supply divers, using a hose and a diaphragm pump. And using that equipment, they should be able to pull the plants, introduce them into the hose, and not lose any fragments, as often occurs when you're trying to harvest milfoil using bags. Today we are probably undersized. We have a 3-inch diaphragm pump. I would imagine a bigger pump will work that much better, but we will be able to demonstrate that you can remove the plants in its entirety. You'll see on the front of the boat there's a dewatering table, and the pump will deliver onto the dewatering table, and volunteers will be raking the plants off the table into containers. And see the way that works. That's the delivery pipe there, the 4-inch.
Yeah.
And it just dumps water onto this screen here. And all you have to do then is rake it off into these bins. And the water just flows through the screen, and then there's a thing on the side to conduct it. It's dumped back at depth, so that if there's any turbidity, it's not apparent on the surface. So our objective today is to get 12 containers full of milfoil. So we've concluded our experiment for milfoil removal, and we've concluded from the work that we conducted that we can't use pumps that have impellers. We can't use diaphragm pumps because of their jerkiness. So what we've looked at and what has been used in the past are Venturi pump systems. So we are going to investigate those. They induce water flow without the flow of water having to go through an impeller or through the pump. So we'll get a Venturi-based system in place and continue our trials with milfoil removal. We successfully removed about 50 pounds of milfoil over the course of the 3 or 4 days that we were working at it. But we definitely plugged up the impeller on a fairly large hydraulic pump, and the divers were not in the water for that long a period of time, so we didn't really get a true test of the amount of material that could be removed in a unit period of time. So we're looking forward to further tests, and we are confident that this system, it's been proven in the States, it's being used currently for milfoil removal in a couple of locations in Canada, and that's the system that we're going to move to. So look forward to future experiments with milfoil removal in Shawnigan Lake.